Cannabis, selfie TV, them think of chattings and knockings. Feel like some broke camera this in my face. Them say big money popping all, no, me no see it. Me no see no Benz, me no see no be my Jeep. Scam me no the least two and me girl be no do it if you want to talk about food and so real dinner eat. So what kind of money them a talk about? If I no coke you a sell shit your ass mouth. Me never scam for your dollar. Couple girl a swallow no empty page no in our passport. You think of chattings when you see cannabis thing at you think of chattings. Cocoa them a bowl in a pot you think of chattings. Bang, one out of the machine. How much left? 16. Remember say 17 your boss. Hold a Sherlock, big up.
Alright, you know, Cannabis selfie TV, no DVD, no CD. Exact Mondays, so we are watch.
People all the way. I'm on the Kingston, Jamaica right now. For the first time at Exact Monday, I want your elbow welcome. Shizzer!
Exact Monday, a mad move, you know, big up everybody, big up every hustler, you know what things stop, you know. Straight cash, you know. No broke talk, you know. Crazy Chris, big up himself, you know, every girl. One ongoing, you think of chatting, active, remember how far we have to like coming up. Yo, keep the angle management, you know, we shell up the whole of mobile, you know, feel like broke talk. Them think of chatting, up here. Think of the whole of the hustler, you know. You know we are bad boy. Don't say big money popping on, no, me no see. Me no see the Benz, me no see the magic. Yeah, me no get it to me, don't see the music, you want to talk about food, and all the things you see. So what kind of money you want to talk about? This is a book you want to tell your last one. Me no have to be that, I think I'm a kid, woman, they're cool, they're New York, and what is the more? Don't say big money popping on, no, me no see. Me no see a Benz, me no see no be my Jeep. Tell me not to be so big, girl, me no be just one half more. So what kind of money them a talk about? Because I hope you myself in your ass. We don't just come to the dollar, but come to the dollar. Level, who can do that? Let me watch a kid, who does the kid thing, and let me watch a kid. Who go with a fool, and let me watch a kid. Who does the not stop, and let me watch a kid. Who does the what does it think? I think what I think. Who go with your wall in the what I think? What does it not stop? What I think? Louis V and the Indian bot. What is the signal? This is the big one. They need to learn them and this is the something of what birds like this week. Every time they put a 100 gun, just to make it rain for a rubber band. The birds them up for you know $1 million to one. But when you're not on the car, you see it now. What does it go to? You don't know mad moving up Christy Chris. I love the jar, you know.
Yo! Yeah, man. Welcome to Cannabis Selfie TV. Right now we're live on Exact Monday. Who we have here?
Archangel!
What do you mean? First time on Exact
Yeah, first time
Monday.
in Jamaica. First time in Jamaica.
Oh, yo, so you're enjoying Jamaica?
Jamaica is beautiful, man.
What do you mean? Do you think you will come back to Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm gonna come back to Jamaica over and over and over and over and over again.
So what will you make you come back to Jamaica?
Everything in Jamaica is beautiful. The people of Jamaica have a good heart. The girls are beautiful. The island, everything, the beaches, they're huge.
And the girl them too.
Yeah.
Alright, so how the vibes look right now at Exact Monday? You love how Exact Monday is one?
Alright, so watching Exact Monday.
Alright, so do you like the Exact Monday vibes right now?
Yeah, man. The vibe is killing me, man.
Alright, tell Selfie TV where you're from.
Hey, my name is Archangel. I'm from Nigeria in Africa, and I'm on Exact TV.
Yeah. Cannabis Selfie TV, we are watch.